Hola, welcome to Cocina Valencia. Bienvenido a la Cocina Valencia. Today is all about green. We are making green tomatillo salsa, salsa verde de tomatillo. We can use it for all sorts of different dishes. It is so versatile, rich in flavor, and super delicious. We can use it for enchiladas in 3 different ways. We can use it over eggs, huevos rancheros. We can also use it over chilaquiles. And so basically it's your base salsa for all sorts of various dishes. So in this video, I will show how to make this salsa, which will then be used in the other recipes on my Cocina.Valencia channel for enchiladas, chilaquiles, and much, much more. Now let's get started. We have cilantro, 1.5 bunches, 4 sprigs of mint, 3 sprigs of oregano, fresh oregano and mint, salt to taste, and garlic salt to taste. We have a large quantity of roasting ingredients because I never know how many exactly I will use since we add, taste, add more, and taste again. Any extra ingredients can also be used for an additional salsa, which I will show in another video. Los tomatillos. They don't have the prettiest of look, but once peeled have such a beautiful green color and smooth texture. They need to be peeled thoroughly and then washed. So we peel them, discard the husk, and we start washing. We wash your desired chile as well, and we begin prepping for roasting. So we sprinkle some olive oil over the tomatillos, the chiles, and the onions and garlic. We set the oven to 425 and begin roasting. I check them every 20 minutes, and if I need to turn them, I turn them. Otherwise, I continue roasting. Some might cook sooner or roast sooner than others, but you continue doing it. This could take up to an hour and a half. You want that char look, both on the tomatillos and on the chiles and the onions, basically on everything. Your garlic will most likely be ready first, but that black char is what you're looking for. Now let's start blending. So I started with 1.5 bunches of cilantro, 4 sprigs of mint, and 3 sprigs of oregano, 30 tomatillos, about 10 cloves of garlic, 1.5 onions, and only 1 chile serrano. Combine those ingredients into the blender and begin mixing. After it is well blended, stop and taste the salsa. If it tastes good, leave it as so. If not, continue adding. I added the remaining tomatillos and a few more garlic. I continued to mix and taste again, adding the salt and the garlic salt, and tasting and stopping and tasting, stopping and tasting. Add more cilantro if you feel that you desire more cilantro. And now we have our very rich in flavor and colorful salsa verde de tomatillo, which can be used as is or can be thickened or thinned and sautéed if desired. These 2 following steps are completely optional. To thicken, cook a little flour with olive oil and begin adding chicken broth while stirring consistently, similar to making a roux. Then incorporate into your salsa. To make the salsa thinner, add chicken broth to your salsa and mix. To bring out more flavor, warm olive oil over heat and add salsa slowly to the pan and cook for a few minutes at a low boil. It will slightly thicken and become deeper in flavor. Now our beautiful salsa is ready to be used for a variety of dishes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube at Cocina Valencia and cocina.valencia on Instagram. I welcome your likes and feedback in the comments. Enjoy and buen provecho.